Homemade pear coffee cake recipe, moist and delicious. Hey, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I've got a delightful recipe for you, homemade pear coffee cake. It's perfect for breakfast, brunch, or just a sweet treat anytime. So, let's dive right into it. Ingredients. 2 ripe pears, peeled and diced. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 1 cup granulated sugar. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened. 2 eggs. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1 cup sour cream. 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon. 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg. Instructions. Step 1. Prepare the pears. Start by peeling and dicing the ripe pears. Set them aside, we'll use them in a bit. Step 2. Mix dry ingredients in a large mixing bowl. Combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Mix everything together. Step 3. Cream the butter and sugar in another bowl. Cream together 1/2 cup of softened unsalted butter and 1 cup of granulated sugar until it's light and fluffy. Step 4. Add eggs and vanilla now. Add 2 eggs, 1 at a time, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix until well combined. Step 5. Alternate adding dry ingredients and sour cream. Gradually add the dry mixture and 1 cup of sour cream to the wet ingredients, starting and ending with the dry ingredients. Mix until just combined. Step 6. Fold in pears. Gently fold in those diced pears we prepared earlier. You want them evenly distributed throughout the batter. Step 7. Bake. Transfer the batter into a greased 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Smooth it out, and it's ready for the oven. Step 8. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Bake your pear coffee cake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for about 45-50 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Step 9. Let it cool. Once it's done, let your coffee cake cool in the pan for about 15-20 minutes. Step 10. Serve and enjoy. And there you have it, our delicious homemade pear coffee cake. It's moist, flavorful, and perfect with a cup of coffee or tea. Enjoy! Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipes like this one. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and let us know how your pear coffee cake turned out. Until next time, happy baking! Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.